Welcome to my kitchen, everyone. Today we will jump right into the recipe. So here I have some green coriander stems finely chopped up, one green chili, one medium onion, and I've got my half a cup of red kidney beans that I soaked overnight, which I'm going to add to my brand new pressure cooker. I finally changed it. I'm so excited. It's so cute. So I've added this is oil-free cooking, and I'm not going to pan fry any of the onions or anything else. This is going right into the pressure cooker just like that. Don't worry, it's going to cook in the pressure cooker and you will not taste any rawness of the onions. I've added a teaspoon of the ginger, and now I will add a teaspoon of the minced garlic as well. See my little 4 tomatoes and my coriander leaves? That's for later. So I'm going to spice it up a little bit. I'm only adding 2 spices at this time, just salt and turmeric. That's it. And I will add about 2 cups of water into this. I'm just eyeballing it. I just want to cover everything up, and that's good. And now I will put the lid on and the weight on and put it on my stove for until the first whistle. I'll keep it on high, and after the first whistle I'll turn the heat to medium, and you'll see me here. I go to medium and I'll put a little timer on for 15 minutes. So it's going to cook on this medium heat for 15 minutes, and later on I'll let the pressure release naturally. And now here I am, I've opened up my pressure cooker and I'm checking on it. Right now you do see some of the onions, and all of those will disappear because I'm going to give it a second round of cooking. I'm going to cook it for another. I'm going to add a few more ingredients, obviously. Here's my 4 little tomatoes that I crushed up in my food processor. And so I've added my 4 little tomatoes. You can add 2 medium tomatoes if you like, or 1 large one. And I'm going to add a bit more salt, and I didn't add red chili powder earlier, so I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of that. You can add it to taste. I've added some garam masala, and now I will add a whole teaspoon of dhania powder. And you're done in terms of spices. This is good enough. I'm going to mix it all up, turn the heat to medium, and let it cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, when you check it, it'll be fully cooked, or none of the onions or the tomatoes will be visible. It'll be completely mixed up in the curry, and it will be delicious. I served it with brown rice, and if you make Rajma one time oil-free, you'll never make it with oil again. Enjoy.